listening else. It's not we have a problem with the weed. Just too many cars, man.
Hey, why you park like that on the footpath? You think you're on the street?
Just looking to score the weed, Toko.
Hey, the kids are coming back from school. Huh? What do you want them to walk all over the road?
Hey, are you the Baron Thor?
Move the car, otherwise you're gonna find out.
Before you come here.
What did I tell you guys before, eh? You parking the car on the road, the kids are coming back from school.
Hey,
Calm down. Hey, relax.
Hey,
Shh.
what's
Hey,
the matter? Wait for
relax, I want to talk.
Tough guy.
tough.
Hey,
you
are you
think it's
sure? Are you sure? Okay. What happened? What are you gonna do with this?
Hey, shut.
Yeah?
Mata like ma.
Okay.
Yo, where's her? Yo.
I told you before. Look, listen. Look what happened. Stupid. What did I tell you? Barking on the